Okay, start again and say Once Upon a Time again.
Once upon a time, there's some cars. And there's a bulldozer pushing the dirt. And there's a steamroller that cutting the dirt. And there's a steamroller, a nice sub truck, and a truck. Turn the page. Once upon a time, the bulldozer, a digger, a dump truck, and a steamroller. And the truck is not made from the dirt. The truck is not made from the sand. It's supposed to be on the grass. It's a street sweeper.
What's that one?
A nice sub truck.
What's it doing?
It's making a sidewalk. A digger is pick up dirt, and a dump truck is dump dirt. And a truck is half a long street. It's half. What? What? It's a garbage truck. And that's bulk. That's all there is.